In this tutorial, you will learn how to update existing software in vCDMcenter. Prerequisite is an installation of vCDMcenter. This video is intended for calibration engineers. Calibration projects have many variant datasets. A new software version often introduces modified parameters like new or changed data types or new function assignments. The quick and reliable migration of existing dataset calibrations to the new software is paramount. vCDM supports this via the feature Software Change. To perform the software change, it is mandatory for the needed datasets to be frozen. The project needs to contain the new ECU description and software file. Please check the configuration of vCDM before you start the software change. Select the project or software of a specific dataset based on how many datasets you want to update. If you want to know how the parameters are transformed, please check and, if necessary, modify the rules via the project properties. Start the process via the context menu, or in the ribbon, click Project and Datasets, Change Software. You can directly select the software if the file has already been uploaded. If not, click Change ECU Software to add new software here. Please watch the video How to set up a calibration project if you are not sure how to upload new software. On the following page, you get an overview about the changes within the new software. It's possible to export this as a report. In case there are renamed parameters, you can define the assignment or load an existing list to assign the new names. Based on the existing data sets in the predecessor, you can choose the calibration variants to perform the software change. Furthermore, you can add additional variants to create new datasets. Click Finish to start the software change. After completing the process, vCDM shows an overview and you can check the results. Furthermore, it's possible to open the new datasets in vCDM Studio and activate the option Display Software Change Information in vCDM Studio to clarify all messages. In vCDM Studio, you can check all messages that are reported during the software change. If necessary, modify parameters that could not be copied due to errors. This may be necessary in case of changed dimensions. The data review is also possible with Option vCDM in Canopy or vCDM Studio. With vCDM, you can create a general report about the changes made, or look at a specific analysis about the changes with Dataset Difference Report. Afterwards, you can start the next calibration process. Please also watch the video tutorial on working with vCDM Studio.